Until we meet again, Layla. Silly Layla thinks she can know who I am. Well, I'm coming for you. And your sisters. Didn't your parents ever tell you not to play with fire? Oh dear, have they even told you at all about your powers? This will make my plan way easier. Again, your parents are fools. Such fools to keep this from you. And to leave you in a commoner. Together. Oh, you really are weak. You can't even protect yourself at school, let alone protect the whole city. Actually, the world maybe. Huh, can't wait to see you suffer when I take over this sorry kingdom. Nightshade shall rule all, and Eleanor shall fall.